Thank you for taking the time to learn about the alumni login and online directory. After a few easy steps, you will have the tools to keep in contact with Abington friends, as well as connecting with old classmates. We'll start by going to abingtonfriends.net. Move your mouse to the bottom of the page and click on Login. Now you will enter in your user ID and password you received in the mail. If you have misplaced the information, there's nothing to worry about. Your user ID is very simple. Your first initial, last name, and last 2 digits of the year you graduated. So if your name is John Doe and you graduated in 2000, your user ID is JDoe00. If you don't know your password, simply click on the link here, enter your user ID, and your password will be sent to your email. If you continue experiencing difficulties, please call the alumni office at 215-576-3966. Once again, enter in your login information and click Submit. Congratulations! You are now logged on to the Abington Friends School website. We're now in the subscription section where you can update your email to receive AFS online newsletters and other preferences, including which newsletters you wish to receive. Remember to click the Submit button if you make any changes or they will not save. On the left side of the toolbar, you will see a few links including the My Newsletter Preferences link, which is where we currently are. Let's click on the My Profile link to update our information such as email and password. Remember, the email you enter here will be used when you need a password reminder. Update any information and click on Submit to save your changes. This directs us to a page with quick links for the AFS website. You may also use the header tabs above and below to navigate through the website. Now, let's have some fun and access the alumni directory by clicking on the blue alumni box and following the pull-down menu to the Stay Connected icon. Click this icon, then click the online directory link on the page or the left sidebar. You must be logged in to use this feature, but since we have already completed this task earlier, we can click here to access the directory. And we are now in the online directory search page. The first thing we should do is search our own name and check that our information is indeed correct. What's the best way to do a search? Less is always more with the search tools such as these. So let's use only the graduating year for our filter. Type in your class of, in my case 1995, and click search. Another way to search yourself is to refer to your most recent mailing from AFS and see how you are listed on the envelope. Does it list your married name or simply your last name? Once the search is complete, you will see your name listed on the screen. Last name, first name, class year, and maiden name if it's relevant to you. Click on your last name to open up your information. So let's update our information. You will see contact information, relationships, education, and business. This is only visible to you. At this point, you can update your current address and phone number if applicable. In order to make changes to other fields, you must submit a request, and the changes will be sent to the alumni office for updating. And just to be clear, when you are in the online directory, it will always show your contact information to you. It does not mean that it is visible to others, unless you make it visible. The power of the online directory comes when AFS alumni can reconnect with each other through shared information. The alumni office suggests that you make your contact information visible so that other classmates may find you. The Make Visible links are located above and to the right of the address and phone information, education information, and business information sections. Click on each one to make that information visible. And, of course, you may always click on it again if you change your mind and want to make your information private. Now we are ready to move into the fun part of searching other alumni. When you are in a record, it is always best to click on New Search at the top of the page. It is not recommended to use your browser's back button. Again, remember that less is more. it is best to search by class years or by a single field such as their first name or last name rather than to enter all of the last known information about the alumni you wish to search. If you search an AFS classmate and find simply their biographical information, don't worry. It just means that they have not made their information visible. If you need assistance reconnecting with AFS alumni, you may contact the Alumni Office at any time by calling 215-576-3966, and they will act as a go-between and help support your search. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy connecting.